Hi Gems, this is Jewelz Custom Made back with another video. This is not a tutorial, but I wanted to give you an insight on how I achieved this finished look with a remnant fabric in a throw blanket. And while you're at it, go ahead and subscribe to continue receiving content from my channel. So let's get into the video. I started with a $1.99 throw blanket from a store called Roses, and then I found this jersey knit 4 yards of remnant fabric for $4. Yes, 4 yards for $4. And I made this cute loungewear set. Listen, this duster or robe or whatever you want to call it, it is everything. It goes to the floor. It is very cute and flowy. It's comfortable. It's warm if you need it to be. It's also cool if you need it to be. And then I made a pair of lounge shorts and a little lounge halter. Let me add the belt to it so you can see how it looks with the belt. Isn't that so cute? But listen, I did not realize, ladies, that bam, this robe can easily transform into a daytime duster. It goes to the floor. It is very cute, as y'all can see. Great for a day out, brunch with the ladies, just in the mall, doing a little shopping, or just an everyday look. It's very cute. Let's see what it looks like with the belt. And you can keep it closed if you want to be more conservative, but listen, let me show you how it looks fully with the shoes. I got some cute Nicole Miller boots on. Oh yeah, I'm feeling this look right here, y'all. Get into it. I love it. The duster will be available on our Etsy shop in a few weeks. Here's a few photos. Thanks for watching.